For the past 3 years, stocks of public sector units have been falling. They have been in a downtrend. So now, in November 2020, is it a time to look at them and think about them for investments? Well, that is exactly what I'm going to discuss in this video, friends. Uh, I'm going to analyze the BSE PSU index. Hello, friends. I am CA Rajiv Khatlawala, the author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis. It is a bestseller published by Vision Books in the year 2008, yes, 12 years back. And in 2016, we came out with a second revised edition of this book. So friends, if you are interested in buying the book or getting trained under me, please do write to me at carajivkhatlawala@gmail.com. Well, also, I have a YouTube channel. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel and get notifications on the various videos which I put up. I put up videos on stock analysis, index analysis, as well as every day in the morning, 10 o'clock. I put up the technical price targets for Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as 3 stocks. So if you are an active trader, well, you will enjoy these videos. So here goes. Let us try to now understand the BSE PSU index. Now, what you're seeing on the screen, friends, is the BSE PSU index. Now, as you can observe, right from the level of 9,600 in almost November 2017, the BSE PSU index, the PSU stocks per se, have been collectively in a downtrend. They have been in a downtrend. We have seen a lower high, low low formation here. In March 2020, we touched a low of 4,000 for the BSE PSU index. And from there, there has been some recovery. And as of right now, we are at around 5,200. 5,214 is the current index level of PSU index. So as you can see, friends, I have drawn a trend line, the red line which you are observing here. It is called a major trend line. So this is the major trend line which defines the downtrend. So in any upward movement, there is a possibility that there will be a resistance or some selling pressure at this trend line. Also, I have drawn one more trend line which is visible in the maroon. This is maroon trend line here, and that has been in fact broken at a nearer to 4,900 levels. This is indicative that the BSE PSU index, the PSU stocks are now taking action, and we are likely to see some upward movement in this. So let us try to understand what is the another factor which tells us. Well, on the chart, you are observing one black line. This black line is nothing but the 200 days exponential moving average. Now, the 200 days exponential moving average is a long-term trend decider. And as you can observe, after touching the low of 4,000 in March 2020, the index rebounded. It touched, got a resistance at the 200 days moving average. From there, there was a retracement, there was a correction. That correction led us to nearer to 4,400, and thereafter we are again back to the 200 days moving average. And now the index is trying to break this 200 days moving average. So that is the key point here, that this index is now, after a consolidation at the lower levels, at the 3-year low levels, after a good consolidation, it is now trying to break the long-term resistance of the 200 days moving average. Now, this is the first indication to us that PSU stocks are now ready to bounce. Now, if that happens, so what would be our target? So from 5,200 current levels of the index, the initial target which I will put up is this resistance level, the long-term trend line resistance level of around 6,500. So we are seeing, we are anticipating a jump of approximately 23 to 25% on the index, on the PSU index. Therefore, you can imagine that what are the, what are the various stocks which can give you the performance. So if the index itself is about to rise around 25%, the stocks in this index can jump more than that. The second target, once this 6,500 level is cleared off, if this resistance is cleared off, then the overall PSU index will be in a bullish trend, and thereafter we will target around 77, 7,800, and that is another 20-25% from the 6,500 level. So from the current levels, we are almost, if you are a medium term investor, for this index we are targeting a 50% rise in the next few months. So definitely, friends, it is time to look at this index, not only this index, but also the public sector unit stocks. And let us try to now see what are those stocks which are in this index, and what are the stocks, the major stocks which can, give you this good returns. So, but before that, friends, let me just give you an idea, one small announcement, that every Sunday morning, 10:30 to 12:30, I conduct a Sunday mega stock analysis session where I will discuss not only the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the next week, but also 5 stocks I will be discussing. And every Sunday I do this analysis, 2 hours. And if you are interested, please do message me. You can send me an email at my email address, which I have given here, carajivkhatlawala@gmail.com. This is the email address given here. So if you are interested, please do join, and I'll just give me an email and I will give you the details of the session. So these are the stocks, friends. The PSU index constituents, a lot of good names, lot of stocks which have found, which have been in a downtrend for a long time, and which have found the good bottoms. In fact, in the last Sunday's session on 22nd of November, I had done analysis, a detailed technical analysis on one of these stocks. And yes, it was, many of these stocks, friends, if you see technically as well as fundamentally, many of these stocks are very good pickup in at this particular point in time. So stocks like ONGC, SAIL, Cochin Refineries, and GAIL, a lot of such stocks, GIC, General Insurance Company, a lot of movement happens today. uh, Chennai Petro, ITDC, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, all of these are the public sector units, and these are the units, these are the stocks which you can track. And friends, yes, in the coming Sunday, I will be analyzing from this lot also, I'll be analyzing a couple of stocks, technically as well as fundamentally. So if you are interested in the Sunday session, please do join, please register, please send me an email at carajivkhatlawala@gmail.com. So friends, thank you very much. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please do share it with your friends. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Thank you.